Hi. So this phone is a Tecno phone, Tecno Pop 2. It's having charging problem, but let me confirm the charging problem that it has. Let's see. Okay, this is charging. The power tap is okay. No sign that it is charging. Okay, I bend it. Aha. In one of my video, I mentioned about charge problem that is common. Now as I bend it, okay, apply pressure here downward. It's brought out a charging icon. But since it has stopped now I started. I bent it. You see? Can you see I apply pressure down and it goes off. Why not still? But this cable is okay. This cable has no problem. Yeah, it's charging this one. Right? Let me demonstrate it on another phone. This with Infinix phone. Yeah, Infinix. Are you charging or not? No sign. What's happened? Oh, I have to force it in for it to indicate charging. No. Let me see. Aha. Well, you can't see it. I've seen the space. So usually here is the problem with this. If it's having charging problem. Now, as I explained regarding charging problem, you see here is a port. Then it make a connection to the board, and here are the tiny pins. So the problem now is that these tiny pins, there are 5 in total. Yes, 5 in total. They are not making contact with this. So if you bend it this way to make a partial contact, yeah. So that is the problem. this should be able to work. Okay, let me zoom out. This should be able to work because the joint is okay now without any hassle. Okay, without any hassle. Aha. Can you see the difference now? I'm not pressing it, I'm not touching it, I'm trying to apply pressure. Yeah, it's working now. Let me unplug. Let me plug back. Unplug, plug back. You see, without touching it. Yeah, good. Good. So solved. Yeah, exactly. So because I could not find the replacement is not available, so I just repaired it. Yeah, and it's good to go. Now you may be wondering what it was this that I used. Okay, you see this and this. Oh, sorry. This, I told you that this is a solder. This tool is also a solder, but it's in liquid form, so it makes it easy to work on that job. And you notice the soldering iron that I use. Okay, look at this. You see that this is tinier compared with the 30 watts 220 volts that I demonstrated in the video for you. Let me see. Good. Yeah. See that there's difference, much difference between the two. This and this, much difference. Good. There's another one, big one. Okay. Like I have 3 different soldering iron for different jobs. Okay. You see this? All right. Okay. You see 3 different sizes. So the job that you want to do with the type of soldering iron you use. Imagine if I want to use this on this point, it will give me tough time. It might not even be successful. Okay, same thing with this one. All right, good. So let's make copy this. No, it's charging. Let me copy this finally. So this is a solder tool in liquid form. Let me see if you can see clearly there. Okay. All right, this is solder paste. Yeah, you see, solder paste. Product XGZ40. Okay, you see an alloy. Can you see that? So alloy of this SN is what is 10. Yeah, okay, this and this one PB lead. So alloy of tin and lead. There is it. The same thing with this. If you check, you see it here too. Where are you? Is it written anywhere here? Just a solder. Where's tin and lead? Oof. What? It's not on this. Let me find. Let's see another solder, a tiny solder. Let's see. This one should have it. Okay, yeah, SN PB tin lead. Yeah. Is it here? Because the way it was written. No, it's not there. Good. So that is it. So let's couple this. Yeah, okay, that is 0%. So let's give it time. If it increases like from 0 to 1, that means it's working. Yeah. I'm using a power bank. to charge it. Okay, let me use this short cable so that the explicit results. Good. So in less than this is 0%. This is 11:52 by this time here. Before 11:50, 11:55 at least. Before this 11:53, in 2 minutes time, you should give a percentage at least. Or maximum between 2 to 4 minutes, you should give at least a percentage. At least 1%. So while this one is going, let's put it sideways. Let it be charging. Okay, so there's another phone. Okay, let that be charging. Let that be charging for 2 minutes before we go to another video. So this, okay, 11:53. Give it 3 minutes. So maybe 55. Let's see. Must have given one. See, it has increased. Okay, this is going to be fast because, and here's another thing: the shorter the cable, the faster the phone charges. But then that is not the only factor. It's the length of the cable. No, the quality of the cable also matters. The length and quality of the cable. Yeah, those are important. So if you want your device to charge faster, you can get a short cable, very short one, a short quality cable. A short quality cable. All right.